Hi there, it's Natasha.
Antonia, and we're back with your story starter for this week. Now, today is English Toffee Day.
That's
So,
sweet.
yeah, so it's triggered our ideas for a story starter for you for this week. And it's all about getting lost in a sweet factory.
A little bit Willy Wonka there, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we also have a non-fiction idea for you. So, and that is to research and write a recipe for toffee. Now, it'd be really good if you could invent a new flavour,
Mm.
something that you haven't seen before. Um, Lots of old cookery books have recipes for toffee. You search the internet, there's bound to be lots and lots of recipes for toffee. But see if you can try and invent a new flavour for it, something completely different.
Mm.
Have, I have a try out. We'd love to see those. You
Yeah.
better taste them. Right.
Yeah. So there's a few ideas there.
Mm,
You could have a bit of fun with that one, I reckon.
yes, definitely. Yeah. So, we hope you enjoy that one.
Yeah.
And it's a sweet experience for you. Boom, boom.
And it's all wrapped up.
Oh. And we will see you again next week.
Yeah,
Bye.
see you soon. Bye.
Remember, if you're a Scribbler Zone member, then over on the website you will find the full version of this story starter with all our suggestions and tips for you. Also, if you fancy submitting it for this month's Storytelling Superstar competition, then you can submit it over on the website, and this is your chance to be a published author, as the winner from each month's member vote will then be published in an anthology at the end of the year. If you're not a member, why not check out our website? It is www.scribblerzone.com.